Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use AI on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To use AI, I'm gonna show you two ways. The first one is gonna be ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that allows you to generate texts in different forms as well as images. So it can, for example, write an idea for a trip or a story, a concept of your dissertation or something like that, or it can search for information or help you with understanding something. And to use it, you'll need to go to Play Store and download ChatGPT. So go to search, then search for ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and download this app with white logo. There's a ton of apps that look the same, so you need to pay attention to that, so it's the same logo. Then click on continue. If you want, you can sign up so you have better experience, but you don't have to. And here you can, for example, use one of the suggestions or ask your own questions. For example, and you can see that it gives me the answer immediately and generates it using AI language model. And I can ask more. ChatGPT remembers the conversation, so it remembers what has been said before. So I can, for example, ask it, and it will know that we're talking about trams. And if you want to create a new conversation on a different topic, then click here and click on new chat. Now I'm gonna show you the second way to use AI. This is gonna be the Google AI, and the first thing is Google Lens. To enter it, go to either Google app or to your Google widget and click on this Google Lens icon. Now you'll need to allow Google Lens to use camera, and now when you take a picture of something, it will search for it on the internet like that. And it can give you different answers. You can also use it to solve math problems or help you with homework. And there is also another way to use Google's AI, which is pressing and holding on the power button, and now you can circle an item on your screen to search it. So whenever I go to, for example, Google, and I want to search for this logo here, then I can press and hold, and now I can circle here and it will search for that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.